As we stand on the threshold of the 12th Parliament, the political weather in Kampala has turned from a simmer to a heavy storm. Today is Sunday, May 24th, 2026. Following the reports and screenshots from yesterday, Saturday, May 23rd, it is clear that the era of untouchable power brokers is being dismantled in real time. The day before the 12th Parliament, a state of containment. The Bukede power couple, comprising former Speaker Netamong and former President Moses Magogo, spent Saturday under what can only be described as a state-led containment strategy. While the nation prepares for the first parliamentary sitting tomorrow, the walls have officially closed in on the country's most prominent political duo. First, the financial and physical blockade. Saturday's most significant development was the total synchronization of state machinery. The Financial Intelligence Authority, FIA, and CID have officially finalized the freezing of all domestic bank accounts linked to Among and Magogo. This move effectively neutralizes their ability to influence tomorrow's speakership election through lobbying or financial patronage. Furthermore, a Saturday security directive confirmed that Among, Magogo, and approximately 30 members of parliament have been placed on a high priority no-fly list. Red flagged at Entebbe International Airport and all land borders. These persons of interest are now effectively grounded as the investigation into the diversion of parliamentary funds and the Ugandan 290 billion AFCON budget reaches a fever pitch. For Moses Magogo, the crisis has moved from the political to the professional. Yesterday's reports confirmed that the First Lady and Minister of Education and Sports, Janet Museveni, has definitely blocked the release of Ugandan 290 billion in supplementary funding for AFCON 2027, citing a total lack of transparency and inappropriate procedure. The ministry has signaled that the AFCON project will now be under direct government oversight, bypassing the federation. With Magogo's up-country residence in Buyende under a quiet but firm security cordon throughout the Saturday, the message from State House is clear. Its leadership of Ugandan football is no longer tenable while under criminal scrutiny. Tomorrow, Monday, May 25th, at 10 a.m., the 12th Parliament will convene for its first session. The order paper is simple: the election of the Speaker and Deputy Speaker. With Netamong officially asked to step aside during the high-stakes state House meeting earlier this week, the NRM caucus and the Patriotic League of Uganda, PLU, have thrown their weight behind Jacob Obote. The opposition, led by Nobs Paul Mwiri, has promised a fight based on anti-corruption, but with the NRM's overwhelming numbers and the recent cleanup of amongst loyalists, Obote is expected to cruise to victory. And Mao is also on the list. And a recent news that we have got, NRM have already succumbed to Moses' order. They will present sole candidate Tayeba deputy and Obote for speakership. This is no longer just about a speakership race. It is about the Muhoozi-Fix in action. The state is demonstrating that no office, but be it Speaker's chair of or the presidency of FUFA, is a safe haven from accountability. Tomorrow, when the Speaker takes the chair, it won't just be a change of personnel. It will be the inauguration of a new political order. As a digital media creator, how will you frame tomorrow's vote? As a digital media viewer, how will you also frame tomorrow's vote? The question remains with you. Will it be a democracy or just handpicking of someone to lead the August House?